Hello everyone, it is Mike and Lil's storybook. And we're going to do a story called Tea, Please. And it's a manner story. And again, Mike and Lil's storybook is a coloring book. But you, as a teacher, I want you to color it. It is your book. And it's a storybook. And we're going to do the story about tea. And we're going to use our manners. Now, this is a story that I like to do interactively. So every Friday or every Thursday, we have a tea party in our school, and every child gets to be part of the tea party. So I have my little tea set, and I use it. You could use the bigger tea set that we use from Melissa and Doug, or you can just simply get a couple of teacups and do a little teacup, or just regular cups to do the little tea party time. But you want to do a tea party and have the children be part of the tea party. And the more dramatic play, the better. So you can put water in the tea, and then they pour it, and then they become part of it. Everybody gets to drink their tea, and they can do different activities during tea time. So this is tea time, tea time, tea time. And we're going to use our manners, as you will see. So here we go. Now, you can use the children's names and do the first letter of their names, or you can say children. It's up to you. But I like to use the first letter of their name. So if it's Lauren or Brenda or Ryan or Lucy or Amy or Michelle or Adam, I will use their names, the letter of their names. So this is a story. Lauren, Brenda, Ryan, and Lucy are having tea. This is a tea. They will use their best manners, as you will see. We are all invited to join in the fun and learn. So we're going to take it from a book and put it on our head. Learn all our manners one by one. When asked if she would like some tea, Lauren says, "Yes, please." When we are finished pouring, "Thank you very much," says Lauren. When we offer, "You need some tea?" to Brenda too, she politely says, "No, thank you." She asks, Brenda or girl, asks to have milk with you and me. And then Brenda places a napkin on her knee. Napkin. When Ryan wants to speak during our tea, he politely says, "Excuse me." If he accidentally interrupts our story, Ryan will say, "I'm sorry." When Lucy asks if she could please have more, we say, "More tea? Sure." We always like to share our tea with Lauren, Brenda, Ryan, and Lucy. When our fun tea party comes to an end, we say goodbye to all our friends. We say thank you when we are done, and our friends will say, "You're welcome." Yeah. Great tea party, and let's have tea with all